Hello and welcome to the Homebuilding and Renovating Show, the UK's leading exhibition for anybody planning on building their own home or undertaking a home improvement project. You'll find under one roof exhibitors covering every aspect of a project. So whatever you're looking for, you're going to find it very easily just by spending a day at an exhibition, whether it's the latest in bricks, construction systems, doors and windows, energy efficiency, you name it, you'll find it here at the Homebuilding and Renovating Show. You'll also find a fantastic education program. There's a whole series of seminars and masterclasses running throughout the show. Plus, we have the Ask the Experts Advice Centre, where you can have a one-on-one appointment with an expert and put any question that you're facing on your project to somebody who'll be able to give you straight, honest, impartial answers. So if you've got a project, large or small, join us at the Homebuilding and Renovating Show.